This is the text, the USA in the 20th century. Before we start reading, we should look at the new words. The 20th century is the same as the 1900s. Altså, det 20. århundre er det samme som 1900-tallet. So, let's take a look at the new words, and you need to learn these words in order to understand the text and also to expand your vocabulary. Okay, repeat after me. The 20th century. Rapid. Growth. Wages. Immigrants. Get involved in. Declared war on. Germany. Booming. Decade. Inventions. However. Stock market. Okay. You will repeat after me. Sometimes if there is a long sentence, I will pause and divide it into smaller pieces. The USA in the 20th century. The beginning of the century. In the beginning of the 20th century, there was rapid economic growth and industrialization. In the USA, wages were high and millions of immigrants came to work. The USA did not want to get involved. In World War I, but finally declared war on Germany in 1917. The 1920s. The 1920s was a booming decade, with a lot of new inventions. The car, the telephone, electricity, movies, and many more. However, the happy times ended with the stock market crash on Wall Street in 1929. The 1930s. The stock market crash in 1929 led to the Great Depression. People lost their savings and many lost their jobs. In 1939, World War II broke out in Europe. Before we continue, we need to take a look at the new words. The Great Depression. Nedgangstiden på 1920-tallet. Det betyr at økonomien var veldig dårlig. Depression. Her så betyr det nedgangstider i samfunnet, at økonomien er dårlig, folk er uten jobb, dette kalles depression også. Savings. Sparepengene. Unemployed. Arbeidsledige. Washington DC. Hovedstaden i USA. Attacked. Angrep. US Navy. Den amerikanske marinen. The Allies. Mainly Great Britain, France, the Soviet Union, the USA and China. The Allies betyr de allierte. In ruins. Ødelagt. Intact. Uberørt. Battles. Kamper. Okay, let's go back to the text. The 1940s. The USA did not want to get involved in World War II. But the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor, a US Navy base in Hawaii, on December the 7th, 1941. The USA joined the war on the side of the Allies. After the war, Europe was in ruins. The USA was not damaged because there had been no battles there.